How to lock someone out of your Instagram account. First of all, after you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side and tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, tap on this account center. After you open this account center, scroll to down and tap on this password and security. After you open this password and security, scroll to down and tap on this section which says where you are logged in. This one. After you open this where you are logged in, as you can see now select Instagram. Here is it at the bottom. After you select the Instagram, as you can see now it will gives you all the devices that your Instagram account currently is logged in. So let's say if you want to remove the device, so tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this arrow beside the device. After you tap on this arrow, so now tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this log out. Now you can log out the device on your Instagram account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.